With our on-machine apps, Renishaw provides users with smart, easy-to-use solutions for on-machine probing. Reporter is a real-time process monitoring app that displays measurement results and trends at the machine tool. As an important step in Renishaw's Industry 4.0 strategy, enhancements to Reporter version 2.0 offer the ability to share this measurement data with the new data export option. Users are able to export part inspection and tool measurement data from the Reporter app to a CSV file, or stream data using MTConnect, the standard for machine tool data exchange. Exported measurement data can be stored for traceability, used to generate a report, or imported into a user's quality analysis software to provide valuable insights in the machining process. Reporter version 2.0 can now record tool measurement data, displaying how tool lengths and diameters vary over time. Depicting trends at the machine tool provides operators with a better understanding of cutter performance, preventing scrap caused by using tools with excessive wear. The latest version of the app offers an enhanced user interface, making it easier to select, view, and export specific measurement data. Reporter version 2.0's data export capability provides the next step in machine tool metrology for data gathering, reporting, and analysis. Users will gain a greater understanding of machine capability, part quality, and tool performance, providing greater visibility and control of the manufacturing process. Come visit us at EMO Hanover 2019 to learn more about our innovative products.